Remember concerts? I'm sure you haven't been to one in a while, and we can blame COVID for that. But something you may not know is that concerts typically take months of planning to get it to a point where you are ready to get in that seat and enjoy the show. Now, I am going to be trying to do the exact same thing, but I have 18 days. This is gonna be an extremely tough process, but I'm excited to see it through, and hopefully everything will work out as it should. Today, in this video that you guys are seeing right now, this is part one of me setting up the concert, and in this video, I'm taking you guys to a couple different venue options. I wanna show you option number one. This is where we are standing right now. I think it's pretty sick, so let me know what you think. Here we go. Now, I have a couple different venue options here in Port Dalhousie, and that is because we contacted the city. They told me I could perform here in this venue if I wanted to, or there's another venue I'm gonna show you, but I think it may be hard to top this one. I really like the way it looks. And like I said, this is option one. We're gonna go see option two now, and let me know what you think. Let's do it. Bye. Okay, so I'm on my way now to checking out location number two, walking through the parking lot. I don't know about this one yet. It's more expensive, and the other one's just kind of more scenic. So checking it out right now. Let's see how it is. Okay, so this is location number two. It's pretty nice, it's pretty chill. There's a merry-go-round right there, but I like the field. I like the fact that it has capacity for a lot more people. But besides that, I just don't think that it's the one. I'm gonna throw it on my IG story right now and let the people pick. But I don't know if this is the one. I don't know. Like, check it out behind me. I think you guys can maybe get a shot of that somewhat. I don't know. I think my mood's changed. I can feel the hype is not the same here. It's just not the same. I don't like the fact that it's a flat stage, and the other one kind of has a bit of an amphitheater vibe. Is Dom right behind me? The other one's a bit more of like an amphitheater vibe. This one's kind of more of just like a piece of concrete and then a piece of grass. So I think the other one is the way it's gonna be. Location scouting, it's good to go check out your locations first. Make sure that you know what you're getting into and see what you really like and make your decision. So we're gonna contact the city, let them know which one I'm gonna be doing it at. And now let's get back to the studio, and I'm gonna let you guys kind of in on the next steps of the process moving forward. Let's do it. Okay, so I wanna give some actual context to this video, so let me explain. Pretty much on August 28th, it is International Music on the Porch Day. It is a day where musicians and anyone who likes to play music goes out on their front porch and they play music and they post themselves online, and it's this whole kind of community thing. I thought I want to make it go one step further. I actually want to turn it into a real event. I thought it was a perfect opportunity to get in and use some of the connections that we have at our city and possibly get a really cool venue. And so now that we are sitting down and having the debrief, you can kind of see that I showed you two options. Option A is the scenic amphitheater with a lovely view right behind it going into the marina, and I gotta say, it is definitely the more beautiful option. Option B is what I would call space. Space galore. One of the major factors that is going to be playing into the safety and responsibility of this concert obviously is COVID, and we have certain restrictions on how many people we can have in certain sections. So the second stage would be better for that situation, given the fact that you would just have more space for people to spread out and stay in their little 6 feet bubble. You know what I'm talking about. So in weighing the options with my family, I have come to the conclusion that even though I don't think we're going to be able to fit as many people in the space, I really want to be in option A. I saw option B. It was cool. It was sick. It was very busy, but option A, I think there's going to be a really cool opportunity there. There's some restaurants that line the one side. There's a walkway that comes by, so people are going to be able to hear the music and see what's going on there. There's the boats in the background. Have people on their boats come and enjoy the concert as well. And I think overall, option A just looks more scenic. It's gonna add to the content and the whole thing. I wanna live stream the concert. I wanna live stream it right here on YouTube, also on Instagram, Facebook. So please make sure you're following me along on this journey. You're watching the entire thing unfold. In the next video, you guys are gonna see me making some calls and finding some artists to help perform. And then after that, I gotta find some sponsorships. I need to find lighting, equipment. I gotta figure out COVID guidelines. And then I gotta get my set together for my performance as part of the concert. There's a lot going on. There's still a lot to do. So I hope to see you guys following along on the entire journey. Thank you so much. If you've gotten to this point in the video, you are a trooper. Thank you for being here, vibing out with me, having a good time. I hope through this, I am able to inspire young artists who are having a hard time finding their first gig, some of their first venues. I want to show you that you can just make your own, make it happen. I'm going to see if it all works out. And if it does, maybe it will inspire you to go out and do the same. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you follow along. I really want this thing to work out. So I just really hope you guys follow the entire thing. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Bye.